Today we are building a basic ionic thruster from junk and random materials. This is a cool little science project that shows how ion propulsion works. What you'll need: some batteries, electrical tape, aluminum foil, some cables and wiring, scissors, a non-conductive stick, I use spaghetti, and a high voltage transformer. You can find these in plasma lighters and other things like tasers. I got this one off Amazon. First thing we need to do is connect these batteries in series. To connect the batteries in series means to connect the plus to the minus, like this. And you should get around 6 volts overall if you connect these two. Next thing we're going to do is make the anode and cathode using aluminum foil. First. Here I have 2 sticks made out of spaghetti. Now I'll just put this on. Start 2 holes in it, about this long. Put the sticks in there. And these 2 things. Just electrical tape to tape them on there. Anyways, next thing we gotta do is connect this to this. Obviously, negative to black and positive to red. So here I've wired this to another wire so that I can control the output. Flash warning, please. Ooh. as you can see. Now I'm going to attempt to connect these two to this thing. Should. Now if your contraption begins arcing, so like if there's a visible arc between these two things, you'll have to move them farther away. Because over here we have the finished product, and I have a lighter over here. As you can see, the light is being blown away into my thumb, and well, it's blowing it away. You might actually extinguish it if you get close enough to get higher voltages.